We worship you. Sing with me. You are here. Oh.
I remember coming to Sumfest about 8 years ago. And at that time I came with me, myself, yes. Mommy Claudette Alosha in the crowd. I come with Auntie Margaret and Uncle Jackila. And I remember sitting out there on the beach chairs. And now, you see this next song, Sumfest, I wrote this one for Mommy Claudette.
my superwoman. Get my superwoman. Get my superwoman. And very soon you won't be working. Soon and very soon I'll set you free. Your son will relieve you of your burden, 'cause you deserve another. Okay. Soon and very soon you won't be working. Soon and very soon I'll set you free. Your son will relieve you of your burden, 'cause you deserve another. Usually stay to myself, I touch my skull to kill, being alone would forever. But you put me under spell, frozen as like melt, that's my changing head. Girl, me make vex them a call and I text to say how much me treat them a trading dust. Here I am blowing up your phone, trying to get your attention. Why? Yes, I come into beach, I don't want force around. Come back around, when I get them a karma, baby, and leave you alone. It's like a paper sweet, girl, you are always hard to be found. Positive, you're a karma, I try but can't leave you alone. Even when I want to, I can't run away from you. I just wanna get to, girl, you got me stuck. Even when I want to run, I can't run away from you. I just wanna get to, girl, you got me stuck. Look, what's inside there? Stuck like a sea when SketchUp can't play. Every single interaction with the eyes. Look at me and you so what up can't you? No, me a pay the penalty like anybody. Yeah. To be honest, I'm not a fan of arguments. Never need a pre-marriage for arguing, you're my last. See a future with you forever, love me. Think it would have been a scene if we forever part. Oh, how the tables are turned. Remember when me used to say I'd never want. Now me can't grow one day without you. You say, man, yeah, yes, the hammer is a beach. I don't want goes around, must come back around. When I get to karma, baby, and leave you alone. It's like a paper sweet, girl, like you are always hard to be found. But the thing I'm a karma, I try but I can't leave you. Even when I want to, I can't turn away from you. I just wanna can do more. Girl, you got me stuck. Even when I alright. My baby, let me slowly start rough up the place. Let me do it like this. Yeah, watch out. She knows I'm a love and a fighter. That's why every night she come up and to my heart. 'Cause she needs her love. You juicy customer. 'Cause every time you a beat her up, leave her now make she feel like home. She don't want a man feel me sweet her song. Leave her, make she come to me. I am what she needs right now. I'm what she
And now, Mobby ain't the kings. She said lately, all that she's been hearing, so such a pop music playing everywhere. But it's a came out, me and what she got playing now. I'ma give her some forever, but she can't find up her ways. Listen, baby, it's a pleasure to be mine again. So shake what you wanna get. Like you wanna be so crazy, wine, so crazy, Mobby doesn't even go for allow. Listen to the man. She said lately, all that she's been hearing, so such a music playing everywhere. She go, but it's a game out. Me and what she got playing now. Give her some forever, but she can't wind up her waist. Baby, it's a pleasure to be mine again. Yeah. hold on. Each other man and David are lady, but you don't understand why I can't dive in. Oh yeah, tell me why you. So let's find it, we are one. Now we are saying,
Montego Bay. The city of Montego Bay, citation to Nigel Hector Nigy Boy. Blindness is an unfortunate handicap, but true vision does not require the eyes. Double, the miracle boy, Nigel Hector, affectionately called Nigy Boy, a native of St. James, is a living example of someone rising like a phoenix. In 2002, the mother of this effervescent gentleman was given the dawning diagnosis by the doctors that her soon-to-be-born son would not survive outside of the womb. Just look at him now. Nigy Boy has not only survived, but has been making waves on the local and international entertainment scene as a brilliant scholar and a thought-provoking singer with witty and daring lyrics. Nigy Boy, who has been described as the Jamaican Stevie Wonder, has been heating up social media as members of the public respond to his original tracks Continent, Judgment, Nomad, Karma, and Get Wild. His success so far and the establishment of a bright future in the entertainment world, coupled with his brilliance in the academic field, are victorious for members of the visually impaired and disabled communities. Born in Flanker, an inner city community here in Montego Bay, Nigel Hector Nigy Boy continues to make his community, the city of Montego Bay and Jamaica, extremely proud and has been playing a great role in bringing positive great country, Jamaica. Montego Bay, Sumfest City is proud of Nigy Boy, and his performance on the 2024 staging of Reggae Sumfest is a part of his mission to become the next great Jamaican entertainer of his generation. Today, Saturday, July 20th, 2024, the St. James Municipal Corporation recognizes Nigy, Hector Nigy Boy, and presents him with this 2024 Silver Montego Bay Sumfest City Award in recognition of his outstanding achievement in the field of entertainment. We now present to you Mr. Russell and the Mayor of Montego Bay. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are proud of your native and if you are from Montego Bay, give Nigy Boy a standing and a big round of applause for his achievement. Come on, to me, understand. Not many people with this impaired vision can pull off this and make history out of his craft. We salute you, we congratulate you. Continue to do what you're doing, Nigy. And of course, what do you want to say to your fellow Montegonians?
Before I say any words, let me say something like this. Let me do it like this. Clear, I'm mature too, you know. Mommy, you go so father! That is it, man. You know it already. I just want to say it was a privilege being here, and I liked how everything came full circle. That my first ever performance was in the place I came from, Montego Bay. I appreciate all of you for coming out. Love is real. One heart. Love you always and forever. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nigy Boy. Thank you, Mayor Vernon, the Mayor of Montego Bay, and of course, joined by the CEO of Dancehall Entertainment, Mr. Joe Mandanovich, and of course,